Hi everyone, this is Chris from KM Designs Pattern Co. and I'm going to show you how to create a 90-degree angle on zipper tape. So first thing you want to do is make sure your ends are straight. You want to singe the ends so they don't fray. And I'm going to measure down on the right side about a ½ inch and place a mark on each edge. As you can see there, 2 marks. You can open your end up, flip it over to the wrong side. Now I use glue. Some people stitch and clip on the outer edges. You want to place a little bit of glue on each side. And you want to fold that tape over at that mark you just made. And go ahead and place a clip. And place another clip. So it's kind of going to look like that. And we're going to let that dry. Alright, now that it has dried some, you can kind of just remove the clips and you can kind of see that it's taking form. So again, on the wrong side at the top edge of the folds, we're going to place just a little bit of glue, not a lot. Wrong spot. Turn it back to the right side and then just secure that folded edge of the zipper just below the tape. And I'll place another clip. Placing them on the outside so you can see. And at this time you can make sure that your ends are equal. And while that is drying, I go ahead and place my pull. Make sure my tape is straight. And then I slide on the pull. We're going to go ahead and let this dry. Leave it clipped. Set it aside until you need to use it.